morning, Phoenix. I am Jose Jimenez.
And I am Jalen Snyder, and we are your Student Broadcast Network for Innovation Students by Innovation Students.
Let's begin with the Phoenix Creed.
What is a phoenix?
A phoenix perseveres through fire,
strives for standards that are higher,
and has the ability to transform,
to attain what it desires.
I am a phoenix.
As a phoenix, I demonstrate
intelligent creative expression,
social responsibility,
personal development,
and scholastic excellence.
And now for the news. Legislation has been introduced in the Illinois Senate to raise the age to purchase tobacco products in the state from 18 to 21. Democratic State Senator John Mulrow of Chicago hopes the bill will decrease the number of young people who start smoking and eventually help the state save money on treatment for smoking-related illnesses. A study conducted last year estimated that raising the age to 21 will lead to a 25% reduction in smoking among 15 to 17-year-olds and a 15% reduction among 18 to 20-year-olds.
News broke on March 21st that a woman said she and another female were sexually harassed by Los Angeles Lakers players Nick Young and Jordan Clarkson. Following the accusations, the team announced that it was looking into the matter. As ESPN noted, the accuser is Alexis Jones, an activist whose focus is on stopping athletes from committing sexual harassment, sexual abuse, and domestic violence. She alleges that Young and Clarkson made obscene gestures at her and her 60-year-old mother when they were stopped alongside their vehicle in a Hollywood intersection.
Scores of people remain in intensive care following Tuesday's suicide bomb attacks in Brussels that left 31 people dead. Belgium's health minister says it was said that about 300 wounded people, 61 were still in a critical condition, and suggests that the death toll could rise further. So-called Islamic State has said that it was behind the attacks. The attack occurred a few days after the Salah Abdeslam, the man behind the November attack on Paris, was arrested in Brussels.
Comedian John Oliver has completely destroyed Donald Trump's plan to build a wall along the U.S. and Mexico border. Oliver made the case that Trump has underestimated the cost of the wall. Trump states that it'll cost around $12 billion to construct a wall that's 1,000 miles long, 30 feet tall, and made from hardened concrete, steel, and rubber. Oliver estimated it would cost $16 billion for materials and another $2 billion to deliver them to the border, plus add another 30% to total to pay engineers and management.
Now for some Phoenix news. Students. Condoms are now available to students and can be picked up from Miss Ortiz or Mr. Ireland on Mondays and Fridays after school. There's a limit of 12 condoms per visit. There will be more information provided during the Boys and Girls meetings in the coming weeks.
Seniors, remember to sign up for a seminar and earn accountability points for doing so. There are many to choose from after school. This week there will be an ACT prep seminar on Tuesday and Thursday. Make sure to prepare for the test by signing up today. Now, let's take a minute to learn about gender pay discrepancies with Kiera.
Do you think women are treated as inconvenience in the workplace? Do you think it's fair that men with the same job position as women still get paid more than women do? Over the years, this has been a problem for a lot of women. It doesn't take a lot of research to prove that men are paid more than women. The pay gap between men and women should have a lot of people thinking. Hispanic or Latino men make $2,481 more than women. African American men make $3,798 more than women. White men make $11,682 more than women. White is the highest paid race. White men make $53,267. Do you see how unfair it is now? Not to mention, women have to plan their pregnancies to the convenience of their bosses. This is why men think women are inconvenient to the corporations, because they want to have babies. It's only natural that women get paid equally as men do, considering the fact that once the money comes back to the household, women have full control of the financial situation. It's the right thing to do. Women is what makes the world go round.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Math Corner. I'm Kiara. With STAR testing right around the corner, we need to work on getting our scores up. So here's a couple problems to review that could appear on the test. Question: what is 0.67 as a fraction? That one is easy. It's simply 67 over 100. Let's try one more question. What type of angle is a 93-degree angle? Is it A, acute angle, B, obtuse angle, or C, right angle? The answer is B, obtuse angle. Remember, the obtuse angle is a smaller angle. It is more than 90 and less than 180. The smaller angle is obtuse, but the larger angle is a reflex angle. That's it for Math Corner. I'm Kiara.
Well, that's our show. Thanks for watching the Student Broadcast Network. I'm Jalen.
And I'm Jose Jimenez. See you next week, Phoenix.